Hi, Danielle D'Souza, loan officer with Win Mortgage. How to get out of debt. So I'm a big fan of Dave Ramsey and Rachel Cruze. So I suggest that you check them out. There's a Financial Peace University that they do, and it's really great information. One of the things that they teach are to have no debt at all. And to pay, you don't need credit if you're paying cash for everything, which is true. However, when you're trying to buy a house, especially if you're a first-time home buyer or even a car, sometimes it's really hard to save up that much money. So you might need to have a little bit of credit. And credit really is like what they say is it's really a debt score. Because if you don't have debt, then you don't have credit. So it's kind of a double-edged sword. So what you want to do is to kind of have good debt. And I always say one credit card, a mortgage, and a car loan, and that's it. And so again, the credit score is really a debt score. If you pay your debts on time, or if you have no debts on credit and you pay everything in cash, you won't have a credit score. Anyway, so to get out of debt, look up the Debt Snowball. Basically, you list all your debts from smallest to largest. And you focus on the lowest debt first. And then as you pay that off, then you go to the next one, you pay that off, and then go to the next one. And you work on paying all those debts off until you have the largest ones at the bottom. And then you can work on those. So reach out to me for more questions. And again, follow Dave Ramsey or Rachel Cruze as well. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.